In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use one ClickUp form across multiple lists. We'll walk through a simple example where a single feedback form is used for two different projects. This is really useful if you want consistent information from people, but you don't want to keep rebuilding the same form over and over again. First, make sure you're logged into ClickUp and that you're in the correct workspace. From there, head over to the list where you already have your form set up. In this example, that's the All Tasks list inside the workspace. You can get there by using the left-hand navigation and choosing the appropriate space, folder, and then the list itself. Once that list is open, you're in the right place to start working with your form. At the top of the screen, you'll see a row of options like List, Board, Calendar, and so on. Click on the option labeled Channel. This is where ClickUp groups together different ways of collecting and viewing work that comes into this list. Inside the Channel area, look for the Forms tab and click on it. This will show you all of the forms that are currently associated with this list. You should see your existing form here. In our case, it's called Apply Feedback Form. Go ahead and click on that form to open its settings. You'll now see the Form Builder, where you can edit the questions and behavior of the form. In the list panel on the side, you'll notice that Project 1 is selected as the destination list. That means any submissions currently go into Project 1. Keep that in mind as your main or original list. Next, inside the Form Builder, click on Add Question. We're going to add an assignee field to the form. From the question types that appear, choose Assignee. This allows you to control who the task is assigned to when someone submits the form. It's especially helpful when a single form feeds multiple lists because you can route different submissions to different people if needed. Once the Assignee field is added, click on it to highlight and configure it. Here you can adjust any options that appear, such as whether the assignee is required or if there's a default person selected. Make sure this matches how you want to handle incoming tasks from any list that uses this form. Now, return to the Forms view where all your forms are listed and select the form called Survey and Collect Feedback. This is another form that you want to reuse across lists. When you open it, you'll again see the list panel on the side. This time, choose Project 2 as the destination list. By selecting Project 2 here, you're effectively using this same form structure to send submissions directly into that second list. At this point, you have one unified form experience that can be used with multiple lists. You've seen where to find forms in a list, how to open and edit a form, how to add an assignee field to help manage incoming work, and how to connect another form to a different project list. From here, you can share the form link with your team or clients, and all their responses will be organized in the right places inside ClickUp.